can only mean one thing. Come for us with a quick speed walk around Universal Studios.
Men in Black, 45 minutes. So it's Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. It's a Wednesday. It's busy. So yesterday when we were at Hollywood Studios, we said it was busy because it was St. Patrick's Day and it was busy. And today, Hollywood Studios, today, Universal Studios, is another busy day. Parade is at 7 o'clock. Mardi Gras parade is 7 o'clock. And it's chilly. It's 69. It's chilly. So we've got hoodies. Although in the sun, it can be quite nice and hot, but like the parking garage was freezing. So let's get inside the UOAP store, because I know JP wants to look in here.
I think you need to get in here either really early in the day or just be lucky to find anything that's decent and you can buy. I mean, it's got great prices, 70% off the ticket price.
As usual, nothing in there. You have to get here either really early in the morning when they put new stock out.
Or just be lucky.
Yeah, or just be extremely lucky because there literally is nothing here. Scooby-Doo is out. Right, Simpsons are out. No Marilyn today. You can get your photo taken. King Alligator. I don't know what it's called, do you?
King Gator.
King Gator, sorry. Photo with King Gator. Walking around the food booths, I feel like the new food booths, this taco one always gets lots of trade and donuts, but the food booths for this festival, I feel like isn't getting a lot of love. GP just said that Gringotts is 3 hours. We'll go in there and have a quick look. These are the crowd volumes you get when you come on spring break week.
He's like, don't mind me, I'm just chilling.
This booth has got a little bit of a queue. This is one of our favourite, this is a favourite one of us, wasn't it? Salmon. Okay, Gringotts, 75 minutes. It was 80, it's gone down to 75. It's too busy for me. Let's get out of here. Let's get back over. Let's get over to Islands. See if it's cooler and see if it's quieter over there. If you wanted to get the train over to Islands through King's Cross, it is 90. Oh, that's not working. It's gone up to 90. It takes 10 minutes to walk. If that, it's a 10-minute walk. I know you want to experience it for sure. But if you wait till later in the day, it's a lot quicker. It's a walk on. Top tip. 70 minutes. It always has a queue. Hey, well caught, JP. This, if you didn't get this, you missed out because it's a 10 out of 10. When you're trying to eat something and someone's having a bag. Nice. Nice.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
You do it, baby.
You do it. Don't just walk past the fridge. Remember, the fridge opens.
Right, put the thing on the bottom now. And the tickly statue. What's this? Turkeys. I go back. Same thing.
So these are in the UOAP, the $25. Bart's out now. Okay. Bye.
See you in the future.
Bye, see you in the future.